Back to another destruction video. Is this a Nerf gun? Let me put the phone, sit it right here. Alright, guys ready? Nothing really. Maybe some scratch marks. I think I did some damage to it. I cracked it a little. You can see. I mean, I don't know if you can, but does some damage to it already. If one more thing breaks on it, I'm switching to the brick. Piece of shit. Scratching up. Oh, damn it. Oh, it's pretty good. Oh. Let's one more hit with this. We'll use the brick. Really? Nothing. Scratch marks. This is probably its finals. Oh, oh shit. Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't even know where it hit. I don't even remember. This is its final. I literally knocked the phone over. Put the phone back. Doesn't even do anything yet. Oh my god, this is like the only indestructible Nerf gun. I've did some good stuff to it. Yep, it's breaking now. Sorry. Yeah. I broke it. It's breaking. I literally squished it, so does it even shoot still? I don't think it does. Oh, this plastic fell. Should use that damn thing as a gun. Save yourself. Pew, 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 pew. Can you use that now? Nope. This thing is done. I'm sweaty. I'm literally getting extremely sweaty, but look. Oh, that piece now fell off. Well, I basically did it, so that's the end. Bye-bye.